just wanted to thank you for helping us reach 15,000 subscribers. That's an unbelievable amount of subscribers, and I'm very humbled that you enjoy watching our videos. All I really want to do is show you all the boats that we sell and that we test. And as you know, our family's been dealing with boats for over 50 years. So I just wanted to say thank you, and keep on liking, keep watching, keep commenting, because all that feedback makes us drive on and carry on making these videos, because they do actually take quite a while to make, but all that feedback keeps on driving us on. The other thing I was going to say is that you're welcome to come to our Essex HQ anytime. We're open 7 days a week. The door's always open here. We are truly open, and we've got 12 acres of boats for you to see. So keep on liking and keep on watching. Thank you very much.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
You ready, James?
No, I haven't got anything to say. Okay, so we're going to tell you about the new Kawasaki models. I can't get this thing off. You have to cut that, mate. This owner has looked after this boat impeccably. It still fits, and that's a good thing. So let me show you the crew. Here's the crew bathroom, which... Oh, the crew are in, sorry. This boat is handmade in England. You can see the British quality everywhere. Look at this lovely hob. Everything lovely. Oh, that says made in France. Cut. Look. Yeah, all right, mate. It stinks of shit in there. Cheers, son. Cheers, mate. Cheers. Right, we're out. Cord. I think we need to check the holding tank pipe. So, this is the sunbed, and you pull this little button here. Bloody hell. Do you pull it? Oh, okay. And look at that. It's a really nice cabin, really nicely made. The toilet, the day head, oh. The toilet, and I'm going to show you what we're going to be selling in the future, and I'm going to tell you why we left Fairline, why we left Princess to go to Fairline. But the other thing I'd like to say is, if you're enjoying these videos, please press the subscribe button. That's too loud. JP. Let's do it again.